You may be overwhelmed and frustrated in your marketing, and you think, what I really need is a VA or a digital marketing expert. But what do you really need to push you forward? So, there is a big difference between a VA, a digital marketing person, a social media manager, and an actual marketing expert that knows how to create a marketing strategy that works. Now, a VA or a social media manager can schedule posts, they can create graphics, they can even do some things as far as following up with messages, as far as if you have canned responses, or if you tell them, someone emails you about this, make sure you send them that. But it's very basic. You need to have the content ready and you need to know where you are taking them. They are just putting things up on social media. If none of that is connected to any kind of funnel, or you don't know what the next step is, then a VA is not going to get people off social media into your funnel. Now, digital marketing expert is a very broad thing. And if you've been spammed on LinkedIn, you know that there are millions of people who say that they are digital marketing experts. Many of them just can either set up an ad or cold message people, which are not really digital marketing. An ad is advertising that can be in conjunction with marketing, but it's different than marketing. Marketing is where you are creating a presence online. You are showing up, sharing your expertise, showing people what you can do, and bringing them into your audience that they want to learn more. You're setting yourself up as an expert so that they want to follow you. And when something comes up, they think of you and go to you or refer you to somebody. Advertising is just putting up an ad and hoping that either somebody clicks on it or it pops up in their feed. If you don't have an online presence, if you haven't built a marketing strategy or created a funnel, an advert is not going to do anything for you other than drain your bank account. So that's where I come in. I bring in all of the aspects of digital marketing, not just the ads, not just pay per click, not cold marketing. All of those have some place in it, although cold marketing I would highly recommend is not the best one. It really is thinking about where you want people to be and what you want them to experience, and then working backwards, where can you connect people? The connecting with people can be blogs, they can be videos, they can be social media. And I'm not going to tell you which platform you need to be on for that, although for most B2B services, LinkedIn is the best one for you to be on. But the marketing strategy is a matter of putting out content wherever that is, and then taking people on that journey and nurturing them the correct way on the journey, marketing them on the journey. And then once they buy in, guess what? You keep marketing to keep them in your audience because it's so much easier to sell to people who have already bought first. So, what are you really looking for? Do you just need somebody to slap anything up on Facebook, or do you actually need a complete plan, guide, and strategy to get people to buy from you?